So today our topic is different types of air conditioning equipments. Okay. Okay. So till now we have seen the introduction and basic definitions. So after that we have seen the refrigeration cycle. So the in real time we have to use so many types of air conditioning equipments. So that is classified into standalone, decentralized, and centralized. So here you can see uh, for standalone we have window AC, and decentralized we have split AC, ductable AC, package AC, and cassette AC. For centralized system we have chill water system and VRF or VRV system. So we will see different each and every equipment, the images and the usage. Okay, so it is segregated based on the equipment capacities. So these are the capacities of all the air conditioning equipments. So first one is window AC. Window AC we have capacity of 0.5 TR to 2 TR. Okay. So this TR means tonnage of refrigeration. So whenever you are purchasing any air conditioning equipment, you need to mention the capacity in the form of tonnage. So this tonnage we will get it in heat load calculation. Okay. So after this we are going to calculate heat load. So there we will get this capacities. Okay. So next one, wall mounted split AC or high wall unit. So we can call it as split AC or high wall unit, that is 1 TR to 5 TR. Okay. And cassette ACs of 1 TR capacities to 5 TR capacities we have. And next one, ductable split AC. We have 1 TR to 11 TR capacities. And package AC 1 TR to 25 TR. And also VRF system from 6.5 to 24 TR. So not only 24, we are getting up to 40, 50 TR also. Let us take 40. Okay. And next one is chill water system, 20 TR to 1500 TR. So we have, when we are designing for the high-rise buildings, we can go with chill water system. So next one is air handling unit. So air handling unit is a indoor type of unit. So that will depend. So we can give any capacity for that. Okay. So these are the capacities. So always remember these capacities. So based on these capacities only, we will select the units. Okay. So we'll see the uh, each and every image and the usage. So where we'll use these different types of units. The first one is window AC. So you can see the window AC will looks like this. So we have discussed in refrigeration cycle that one indoor unit will be there and one outdoor unit will be there. So we'll connect with the copper piping. So but in here window AC, it comes with a single unit. So there will not be outdoor unit. So outdoor and indoor, everything will be inside this only one unit. So you can see generally the compressor and this condenser will be in outdoor unit. But here if you see, this is the compressor, this is a condenser coil, and this is the expansion evaporation. So expansion valve will be somewhere at the bottom. So total refrigeration cycle is happening inside this only one unit, that is called window AC. Okay. So this usually this is not using nowadays. So nowadays people are going with the split ACs. Okay. Split AC is nothing but this ACs. Okay. So it is a, like in 10 years back, the people used to use this kind of ACs, but nowadays, no one is preferring this air conditioning equipments. Okay, I will show how to place this equipment in the building. Okay, so if you see, this is one bedroom. Okay, I'll remove this. Okay, so this is one bedroom. So if you want to select the window AC, so what we'll do, window ACs we need to fit always to the windows. Okay, so I will draw one rectangle. Consider this as a window AC. So it will be placed like this. Okay, so if you see, some part of the window AC should be exposed to outside atmosphere. Why? Because if you see, this is the condenser coil. So condenser coil, it is eliminating the heat to the atmosphere. So this process should be done at the atmosphere. So that's why we have placed some part of this window AC to the outside environment. Okay, so that the hot air will be released to the atmosphere. So then the fresh air, cooled air will be thrown into the inside room. Okay, so this is how we will use the place the window AC. And so in recent days, no one is using. So when you are designing, so better not to go with this kind of equipment. Okay. So and also we need to place it for the so disadvantages also we will see. So we need to place at the level of window. So we need to modify the window for this equipment. Like so we need to give some support and we need to modify the window. So that is the issue for this placement. Okay. So that's why this is not preferable. So we'll go for the another unit. That is, so you can also see the right side image. This is how we place the window AC. Okay. So next one is split AC. So split AC, you can see we have one indoor unit and outdoor unit. So this is called indoor unit and this is outdoor unit. So we will connect both with the copper piping. So this is a refrigerant line, evaporator to condenser. Blue line is the evaporator to condenser line. There is a supply line and red color line evaporator to condenser. This is a suction line. The blue one is the liquid line and red one is the suction line. Okay. And electrical wires. So always electrical wires is required in between these two units and also the condensation line. Condensation line nothing but the drain. So you can see the we are dropping the drain pipe at the bottom of this room. Okay, so the droplets of the water will be thrown here. So always there should be a drain connection for the every air conditioning equipment. Okay, so if you see here, we have placed the indoor unit on the wall side. So we have hanged it to the wall. So this kind of split ACs we can hang onto the wall, and outdoor unit we can place it at the outdoor placement. Okay, so we generally knows that you might use this kind of split ACs. So if we want to place this, so what we'll do, we can place it anywhere. So this is the advantage of this split AC. So not only at the corner or at the window, so we can place it at our interest. So we can place it here also on top of the window. Here window unit we can place it, and we can hang outdoor unit here, and we can connect with these lines. Like this we can connect. Okay, so like this also we can place this. So not only here, if you required, you want to place it here, you can place here also, we can place this. Okay, so here only one thing that we need to uh, take care. So the indoor unit from indoor unit to outdoor unit, the distance should be minimal. So we don't need to increase the copper piping length. So if we increase the length, so the efficiency will be less. So consider uh, that is approximately a 15 meters, you can consider that. Okay, so 1 minute guys. Okay, so that is the one thing we need to keep it in mind. So 15 to 20 meters also we can take, but more than that, just we cannot take that. Okay, so the difference between indoor unit and outdoor unit. Okay. So drain line also we can, if it is a ground floor, so we don't have any issue at this side, so we can drop the drain connection here. So otherwise, so we have the toilet over here, so we can drop onto this. So consider this as a some floor, third floor or fourth floor. We cannot leave the drain outside like this. So what will do? I will take like this on the above fall ceiling, and somewhere here I will drop the drain in the washroom. Okay. So this is how we will place the split AC. So next we'll go with ductable AC. Okay. So you can see the ductable AC images. So it will looks like this, and this is the outdoor unit. So this is the real image of the ductable unit. So ductable unit we generally used for the supplying of the air for the multiple rooms. So here till now we have seen window and split AC. That is for the individual rooms. Okay. So the capacity will be less. So if you are designing for the 4 rooms, 3 rooms, 5 rooms, so you need to go with ductable units. So why? Because if you take the single equipment for each and every room, so that will be an additional cost. Okay. So for example, so take this is one room, and this is one room, and this is one room. Okay. This is also one room. 4 rooms we have. Okay. So if you take these kind of split AC for the 4 rooms, here one indoor, one outdoor, here also one indoor, one outdoor, one indoor and outdoor. So here total how many indoors will be there? 4, and 4 outdoor will be there. So that is waste of investment of money, and also the operation cost also high. So okay, to avoid this, what we'll do, we will select the different unit. I will remove this. Okay. So for this, what we'll do, we will select the ductable unit. So this we call it as ductable unit, and also we call this as a fan coiled unit. Okay. So I will write it here, FCU, fan coiled unit. Okay. So if it is low capacity, for example, take consider that 1 to 4 tier. uh, unit is available, so that unit we call it as a the fan coil unit. So more than that fan coil unit, we call this as a ductable split AC. Okay, so don't get confused. So if it is exceeds the 4 TR unit, so they will call it as a ductable split AC. Okay, so some manufacturers will have different names. So they also call it as a uh, high static fan coil unit. Instead of calling ductable split AC, they call it as a high static fan coil unit. Okay, so at this stage you can learn this as a 1 to 4 tier, that is fan coil unit, and after that you can consider that as a ductable split AC. Okay, slowly if you get into the detail, so you will understand it. So that is split AC, so that is ductable or fan coil unit. So in the right side image, you can see the ductable unit we have placed here. Okay, we have placed here on top of the false ceiling. Okay, if you see, this is the false ceiling and this is the true ceiling. Okay, this is the slab. This is the false ceiling. On top of this, we have placed, and this is the outdoor unit. So you can see clearly, this is the outdoor. We have connected with the copper piping, drain, electrical connections, etc. And if you see this, we have connected all rooms with the help of ducting. So this color you can see here, this we call it as a duct. Okay, so with the help of duct, we are taking the air from the unit and sending into the each terminal. So this is one terminal, two, three, four, and five terminals we have. Okay, so two rooms we have. So this we call it as air terminals. So this duct and air terminals design, we will see it in our upcoming classes. Okay, so just till now, just remember the names of these elements. So for the upcoming classes, we will go it in detail. So how to design the duct and how to design the air terminal. Okay, so the air will transfer to the duct. From this duct, it will distributed into the room with the help of air terminals. Okay. So next one here also we have in ground floor also same ductable unit. So same thing, outdoor unit at the bottom, and the remaining rooms we have transferring the air and we are throwing into the room with the help of air terminals. Okay. So this is the ductable split AC. So here we have one example also. So you can see this is the ductable unit we have placed here, and we are transferring the air through the ducts. So this we call it as a duct through the entire individual rooms. Okay. So next one, this is package AC. Okay. So like the window AC. So we have seen window AC, right? So this is window AC. So window AC, the entire thing will be in only one unit. Okay. The same updated version, we can call it as a package AC. So here also there will not be any outdoor unit. Okay, so everything will be in inside this unit, only one unit, single unit. So that is called as package AC. So package AC will be used for the high capacities. Okay, so if you see these, every equipment is segregated based on the usage and the capacity and the usage. Okay, so don't get confused. So based on the tonnage and the usage purpose, so these equipment was segregated. So if you are going for the package AC, so if it is capacity is more than ductable AC, so then we'll go for the package AC. Okay, so for example here you see this AC system here, that is designed for the individual villa. Okay, so this individual villa, we have placed the package AC on the floor, so that is on the earth, and from there we have taken the supply connection. So this is a supply we are taking, and we are transferring the supply connection to the entire building. Okay. So, and we are distributing the air with the help of grills. So the same thing what we have done here in the ductable AC, the same concept. Instead of ductable AC, the unit will be package AC. Okay. So return also we have taken here and we have connected this. Okay. The same thing, but the capacity will be higher. So you can see the left side image. So this is the image. So here what they have done, they have placed the three package ACs, and with the help of duct, they have connected with one ducting system. Okay. So I think the capacity is very high, so that they have connected in a serial, and they are transferring the air with the help of duct. Okay. So, and also we have these kind of standard packages. So this is also one more type. So this is the floor mounted type, you can see, and this is the different one, that is standard type. So everything comes with the same principle. So it depend the design will be slightly varied. Okay. So this is a package air conditioning system. Package AC also requires ducting and also the grills. Next one is cassette AC. Okay. So the cassette AC also you might have seen in any shopping complex somewhere. So it is generally used for the placing the equipment at the center of the room. So if, for example, you want to distribute the air inside the room from the ceiling side, and so also it is equally divided. So what we'll do, we will take this cassette ACs. Okay. Also depends. It depends on the false ceiling. So if you have taken the plain false ceiling, so you can go with this cassette ACs. Okay. So the false ceiling also matters here. Okay. So you can see here, I have taken one bedroom. So for this, I have placed the cassette AC. So if I have taken the cassette AC as a unit, so what can do? I can place this unit in the center of the room. So you can see here cassette AC. So same principle like split AC, outdoor unit we have placed and we have connected. So same here also, cassette AC also, it comes with an outdoor unit. So we need to place the outdoor here like this. We need to place, and same thing we need to connect with this cassette AC. Okay. So this is a cassette AC. So you can see the right side image. So it is a plain false ceiling. So they have opted for the cassette AC. Okay. And also we can use it for open ceilings also. So if you go for any office spaces or restaurants, so they also use this open type of false ceiling. So we can go with this cassette AC also. Okay. And the drain line. So here you can see the drain line clearly here. This is the white color drain line. So this is a copper pipes. It is insulated. So otherwise it looks like slightly brownish color, but it is insulated. So this is insulated so that we are not clearly look that pipe. So okay, next one is chilled water system. So till here we have seen the concept called one indoor and one outdoor unit concept. Okay. So that concept we call it as a DX system. Okay. Remember this name, very important. Direct expansion system. So when we are taking one indoor unit and one outdoor unit, so that we call it as a direct expansion system. Okay. And next one is chilled water system. So this is you can see that chiller is placed on the top of the terrace. Okay, the in the place of outdoor unit. So till here, what you have seen, there is outdoor unit and indoor unit. So here also the outdoor unit will be there and indoor unit. But the outdoor unit is very big one. That is chilled water system. So indoor unit will be same. If it is cassette AC, if it is split AC, or if it is the package AC, ductable AC. So anything you can take it. Also the AHU will be there, air handling unit. Similar to the ductable unit, there is one more air handling unit. Equipment will be there that we call it as a air handling unit. Okay. So this chiller, what we'll do, we will place it on top of the terrace. So that we will go it in detail when we go for the chiller topic. So this we call it as cooling tower, condenser. This is the chiller. Okay. So till now we have seen the copper piping and the refrigerant medium inside the uh, outdoor to indoor transformation. So here the medium will be water. Okay, not the gas. So the chilled water will be sent inside the every unit by using the chilled water system. So that we can give it to multiple number of units. So for example, if you are designing the for the uh, high-rise building that is of 10 stores, 10 floor building. So what will do, you cannot go for single unit. For each and every room, you cannot place one outdoor unit, one indoor, one outdoor, one indoor, or small ductable units. You cannot place this. For the outdoor units, that will be goes more than 200. So what we will do, we will take the chilled water system. So this chiller, cooling tower, everything set up, we will place it somewhere on top of the terrace, and we will connect the chill water pipe with all units. So the outdoor unit will be only one, that is chill water system. Okay. So this you will get understand better in the chiller topics. Okay. So consider till here you can imagine that instead of outdoor unit, so if we want to attach more indoor units, so we can go with chill water system. Okay. So next one is VRF system, most important thing. So the VRF system comes with the, so if your building is less than like 100 tier or 40 tier, 30 tier, 40 tier if you are using, so we can go with this VRF system. So what is the use of this and what is the advantage of this? So in DX system, what we will do, DX system, we have one indoor and one outdoor. So in VRF system, we have the advantage of multiple indoor units, but we can connect with the one outdoor unit. Okay. So these are the multiple indoor units. You can see this is the fan coil unit, cassette AC, split AC, ductable unit, fan coil unit, cassette AC, and this also cassette AC one way. So these all units we are connecting uh, in DX system. We have to connect with each and every individual outdoor. For this one outdoor, this one, this one, this. But here in VRF, we can connect with the only one outdoor unit. So like this, only one outdoor unit, we can connect the multiple number of indoor unit. So what is the advantage of this? Advantage is uh, like number of outdoor units will be decreased. Only one outdoor will come, and also it has the advantage of detecting the temperature inside the room, and it will sense and it will allows the flow to regulate. So that's why we call it as a variable refrigerant flow, VRF system. Okay. So you can see the right side image. So this is the outdoor unit. Only one outdoor unit we have placed, and we have connected all indoor units. Consider this as indoor unit like cassette ACs here. So for all cassette ACs, with the help of copper piping, we have connected. Okay. So only one outdoor unit here. So these are all the refrigerant pipings. And if you see here, uh, for example, this office room, this cabin, in this cabin, if there is no one is there in this cabin, so what will happen? So it will detect the temperature inside this room, and automatically it will cut off the unit, and it will save the lot of power. And for example, in this area, like in reception, if more people was there, so what will do? It will detect the heat, so and it will allows the refrigerant to flow in a high speed, so that it can cool the entire uh, entire reception area here. So that is the advantage. So it will sense if it is more temperature, so it will cut off. If it requires low temperature, so it will run at high speed, and it will varies the flow rate, and it will attain the temperature. So that is the different types of that is VRF system. Next one is air handling unit. So we have discussed this air handling also. So air handling unit, nothing but it is also one type of indoor unit. Okay. So like package AC, it looks like similar to package, but it also comes with the outdoor unit. So you can see here the blue color is the uh, air handling unit, and this is the outdoor unit. Okay. So we can connect this with the VRF system. We can connect with this DX system, and we can connect with this chill water system. So remember that every air conditioning unit we can connect with chilled water system, we can connect with VRF system, we can connect as a DX system. Okay. So this is the outdoor unit, and this is the ducting we have connected, and we are dropping it to every room. Okay. So here these are the parts you can see of the air handling unit. This is the lower to take the fresh air from the outside atmosphere, and this is the filter. So we have discussed that filter is necessity to filter the air which is coming from outdoor unit, which has insects, pollens, etc. So that will get filtered here. This we call it as cooling coil. Cooling coil nothing but the evaporator. Okay. So to cool the air, we use this cooling coil. And next one is blower. So to send the required air to the rooms, we use this blower. Okay. Next one is nothing but a connection which is used to connect with the duct. So these are the parts of air handling. So that's it. These are the different types of air handling units. Okay. So go through the system, the standalone, decentralized, centralized, and also the remember this all capacities. This is the most important, and the names also you need to remember. And also the each and every equipment image that I have placed here, so you can keep it in mind, so that after some days don't get confused. Okay.